I started Go Green. It was originally just a side hustle. I had another full-time job, and while the kids were going to preschool, it was pretty expensive.
In the beginning, Go Green was definitely a lot smaller.
There was just about 4 or 5 employees.
I felt like we were just trying to figure things out.
Now it's a totally different beast.
Before my lessons, I was super nervous. I was terrified to even go into a car.
After my first lesson, in like the first half hour or so driving around, I was already more comfortable on the road.
The instructors that we have are incredible. Once we hire the right person, then we put them through a very thorough training process. We go above and beyond what the DMV requires.
He made jokes all the time, and he wasn't super mean about his instructions. Like if I made a mistake, he would just be like, "That's okay, just make sure you fix it next time."
He knew to talk to me and talk about things that I liked.
Like if it was sports, we started talking about sports, and it was very personable, so it was a very comfortable experience.
Building their confidence and also working on their awareness. I think those two things are key to driving, and those are not skills that you can necessarily teach in a handbook.
We're pretty patient. I think that's the key thing for students, is being patient.
I mean, I remember when people were piggybacking, where you have other students in the car with you. That just, with Go Green, you know you're going to get an instructor that's going to make you feel like it's your car for those 2 hours.
We chose the Prius as our training vehicle for a couple reasons. It's a hybrid and we're a green company, but secondarily, and it's a close second, is the safety features the Prius has.
Having a driver's license is very freeing.
I mean, even just opening up myself, because I was kind of introverted before, but then I had the option to go and hang out with people.
I would definitely recommend Go Green because first of all, I got 100% on my test.
3 of my kids have done this. Now I'm on my 4th and final. So I would definitely recommend it to anybody that was looking for a driving school.
When you become a Go Green student, you are our friend for those 2 hours, but not just those 2 hours. You're going to be remembered, you're going to be heard, and you're going to get the best service of a driving school that you could ever imagine.
The fact that their future in driving, as long as they live, as long as they're on the road, will reflect back on what we teach them here at Go Green. So I take a great passion for that, and especially with the kids that I've known.